I'm going to be doing a seashell collection from all the seashells I got at the beach recently. They're all pretty lame compared to some other people's, but I don't know, I think some of them are kind of cool. I got a lot, but some of the cooler ones I got at a store. They're all real though, but they're just not from the area that I was at, so I didn't actually find them. I guess I'll show them first to get it out of the way. So the first one is this really big clam shell thing, I guess. It's really nice, but I think the inside looks better. It's really shiny and pretty. So there's that one. And then there's this one. Looks like something I want to eat. Looks like a bun or a roll or something, because it's all white right here and then golden brown on the top. It looks like something I could eat. And then I got this one. I'm not really sure what kind of shell it is, but I thought it was really cool, so I got that one. And I got this, it's not technically a shell, I guess, but I got this starfish, which looks pretty cool. I don't know what that green stuff is on the bottom of it, though. It's not mold, though, so it's fine. And here's one of the ones I picked up. I couldn't find any perfect ones when I was picking them up, but this is one of the fullest ones I have. That isn't like a little clamshell, but it's really cool. I like it, and I think it looks really cool. Here's this one, which is part of the little clamshell things I have. And here's this one. I'm just going to be showing a lot of these. I don't really know what to say for some of them. This one's really nice. I have a lot of these. This one's a really cool kind of faded black color. I have a lot of these too. These little pointy ones. This one's just kind of standard. You can find a lot of these. Here's this one. It's not full, but it's still really nice. Here's another one of the white ones, and here's another one of these. I don't know if these come in any different colors, but all the ones I found were this kind of light, I guess, peachy color. Here's this. I don't really know what these go to, but they're really cool looking. Here's another one of these that aren't, it isn't really complete. It doesn't have the point at the top. I got a lot of these little clamshells with this kind of red and white pattern. I don't know how common it is, but I found a lot of them. I have a lot of these that have holes in them. I'm not really sure why they have holes, but if anybody knows, you can put it in the comments. I'm gonna try to make jewelry out of all the ones that have holes in them, so it's gonna be cool. Here's another one of those white ones. I found a lot that have this orange and white pattern in them too, so that's pretty cool, I guess. It's just another spirally one. I think I counted and I had 133. I might have miscounted, but if anybody actually wants to count these, you could tell me if I miscounted. There's another one of those red and white ones. And here's another just regular white one, but it has a hole in it. And here's another one of these. And I don't know what this one was supposed to be. I thought it looked cool, so I picked it up, but not exactly sure what a full version of that would look like. Here's this nice orange color. This is the biggest one, or it's one of the biggest ones I have that isn't huge, if you know what I mean. And it's really nice. One thing I think is cool about this one is you can see how the pattern just fades. I don't know if the waves do that to it or what, but you can see how the pattern was, I guess, messed up a little. This one's really pretty though, and I like the light pink inside. This one I thought was really awesome because it's almost sort of glassy. Like, you could tell it's been tossed around a lot in the waves and everything, and it's almost see-through. It's really cool. This one's another one of those, but it's not complete. Here's another one of those horn spirally ones. And there's another one of those. And here's one of these. It has a really pretty purple color on the inside. Here's one of these. I love these. The ones that are sort of like a violet blue violet on the outside, and then they have this really pretty dark purple on the inside. I have a whole bunch of these. Here's this. I don't know what kind of shell this is, but I found a few of these. A few of them. Here's another one of those. Same color, a little bit more complete maybe, or maybe less complete, I don't know, but I don't know what these go to. This one's nice. It's a really pretty light blue kind of color. Here's just this white one with a hole in it. Maybe I'll make a video about making the jewelry. Here's one that's kind of see-through, almost like the other one, but not quite. It doesn't look as damaged, but it's almost see-through. I like it. Here's another little white one like that. Here's one of the ones that have the red and white pattern, but it's really incomplete, and it looks really cool. Here's another little see-through one that has a hole in it. This one's incomplete. I thought the cracks in it looked really cool. Here's another one of those cool blue-purple ones. Another horn one. Another orange and white one. Another horn one. This one's weird. I'm not exactly sure how I would describe it. It's a lot smoother than the other ones that look like that. This one's really nice, and it has a hole in it, so it'd probably make a really nice necklace. Here's a bigger one of those kinds of weird spirally ones. Here's another spiral one. This one's probably the most complete one I have. Here's another one of these. Another one with the red and white pattern. This one's really nice. It's a black one. I thought the pattern on this one was really, really nice, but it has a little chip. It would look even better if it was complete. It's really nice, though. Here's one of these that has a hole in it. Another horn. Another horn. I'm sure there's proper names for these, but I don't really know them. Another horn. Another one of these. Another one with a hole in it. I could find a lot of them with holes in them when I wasn't looking for them, but then when I started looking for them, they became really hard to find. A mini one of these. Another one of these. Another one of these. These. Here's a really tiny one of those. This one's really nice. I love the shape. It's like almost a perfect shape, and it's really ridgy. I like it. This one is one of my favorites. It's really nice. I'm not exactly sure what it goes to, but it's cool. Here's one of these spirally ones. This is the smallest one I have. Here's another one of those red and white patterned ones. I think this is the biggest horn one that I have. It's sort of green, but you can see a little bit of pink in it if you look really closely. Here's another one of those little things. I found a lot of these. This one's nice. It has a really nice light purple on the inside. Okay. Here's a really little one with the red and white pattern on it. And then here's the rest. Oh, this actually might be the biggest horned one I have. That actually might be the biggest one I have. But the rest of these aren't something I haven't seen from the other ones. Except this one right here is an incomplete version of this one, which is really cool because all of these ones I have are complete, but it was nice to see an incomplete version. So here's the rest of the shells. I might make my next video is either going to be a snow globe collection or making seashell jewelry, so hopefully somebody actually watches this. Most of my videos get maybe 5 views and they're all from me, so yeah.